Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
An alternative method for adhering sugar to the cookies is to bake first and cool. Then lightly brush the cookies one at a time with a solution of 1 part light corn syrup to 2 parts water, and before it dries, pour the sugar onto the cookie. Lightly tap the cookie on its side to remove any excess sugar.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You also want to make sure you sprinkle each cookie with a pinch of coarse sea salt immediately after removing them from the oven, so the salt sticks to the top of the cookie and the chocolate chunks as they cool.
Take our lead.
Once baked, the jimmies end up melting into the batter since they are soft in texture, so these were our #1 choice for making confetti cupcakes and cakes. Nonpareils. Nonpareils sprinkles are tiny hard round sprinkles that are traditionally used for decorating cupcakes, cakes, cake pops and sugar cookies.
Take our lead.
Add sprinkles after baking. You can use frosting or an egg wash to get sprinkles to stick to baked cookies. Whichever method you use, start with cookies that have cooled completely. Top the cookies with frosting, homemade or purchased, that is soft but not too runny. Sprinkles will not stick to dry, stiff frosting.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you want to add sprinkles to cookies, cupcakes, breads, or cakes before baking, that is totally and completely okay. Add sprinkles to the tops of these baked goods right before they go into the oven. Adding sprinkles to wet batter is the only way to get them to stick without an additional glue, like frosting.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.